Hello guys, welcome back. So now let's working on the login and registration screen, and the same thing we will do in which we did earlier here, like we did copy and paste from the restaurant application. All these screens we just copy and paste from the restaurant application for saving the time instead of writing the code again. So now we will copy another file which is login and register. So let's go to the restaurant application. So here, and this is our desktop, and here we have this. Where is it? This one here, restaurant application. Double click on it and you will see this lib. Open it and these two files just copy and paste. One this login and one in registration. Now let's copy. Come back to Android Studio and right click on this lib and paste both file and OK. Now as you can see, login screen and the registration screen are here I mean. So now we are on login screen here. Open this, import, and just remove all these error lines. Now let's import one by one this error dialog. So click on it and here it's not showing a suggestion here to import this because we did not have this file in our this project. So let's copy this file also from the restaurant application. Come to the restaurant application and here you will see error dialog. This one we need to copy and paste it. So right click, copy, come back to the Android Studio, right click on this lib and paste it. Click on OK. Now it will show the suggestion because this file in our this project. So now click on this and import this. Now error has gone. Come here, same this. We have this file here, loading alert. If you don't have, just copy paste from the restaurant application. Click on it, import this and the Firebase auth also. Global data means, and here we have more error below. Here as you can see Google font for now, because just simply remove this. We will add later this. So here from the style, from this here, and add accounts modifier like this. Remove from here this, and then we have more error downside. Just come in the bottom here, registration screen. Let's import this. As you can see, now error has gone, and we have one more error. As you can see here, this is the welcome screen. Let's import this also. Now all error has gone. As you can see, there is no error. So now what we need to do here, come here, we will change the name of this database like restaurant information. So here we will create a instance in our Firebase file store, and here we will say, let's say customers info, and here we will say customers email, customer email, and here customer name, and here also customer image, and here customer profile image. So yeah, now below we will change this background also. First of all, let's come here below. So yeah, come to the registration screen now. So as you can see, here is the error. So open it, and now just remove these lines which is showing error, and everything will be same. Now we need to change another thing. So here, let's click on it, import package images, and as you can see, error has gone. And now come below, error dialog, import this and import loading alert, and here this is a Google font. We will change it later on. So for now, just remove this from here and write like this, and right here style, and just wait. For now, just minimize this animated text kit and this text, and just comment it for now. We will change it later because we have to add dependency again for the Google fonts. Now we have one more error here, as you can see the login screen. So let's import this. Now all error has gone, as you can see this is green. Now come above, you will see this save information for Firebase store. So here we have to change this customer info, and here also customer UID, customer email, customer name, and just remove this. And let's remove this latitude longitude from here, because in the customer application we will give the option to the customers wherever the customer want to pick the food, I mean want to deliver food. As you know, sometimes customer book the food, order the food for the another place, like for the friends, for relatives, or for other place where the customer want to deliver food, I mean not a particular location only. So in this condition we cannot fetch the current location of the should uh, customer should select the location where he or she want to deliver food and get delivered food, I mean. So for example, if I want to book food for my friends, so I will give the address to the delivery guy of my friend's house or friend's place. Or suppose, for example, if I want to book food for the I mean if I want to order food for the office, so I have to give office address to the delivery guy. So in this condition, we will not do this. We will provide another option. So let's remove this. Even earning, there is no earning for the customers in this app. And address also, just remove this address, and as well as phone number also. For example, if the customer want to give another person phone number who will receive the food, who will get delivered the food, I means I will provide my friend number. So the delivery guy will call to my friends so that we will give the option to the customers, so that customer can choose another number, change the number and address. I hope you understand. It just like third party. If I want to order food for other person, so I have to give other person profile, a phone number and address, like this. So now we have these three here. So and here let's change this also, instead of rest to customer. Now let's remove the input fields also from the customers, which we not required actually. So come above and you will see here we have editing controller, text editing controller, as you can see here. So we just only need name, email and password, confirm password. We do not need phone number and location. Let's remove these, location and the phone. Now we have three input field we are getting from the customers. Now come above and below, and obviously this we don't require this position and place mark because we are not fetching the current location of customer, so we don't require this here. Remove these two variables, and also as well as remove this string full address, we don't need this. And now we will remove this function which is not required to the customer application, get current location. And as you know guys, this is the function to fetch the location, to fetch the current location of the users. So for the customers we don't require this, we just provide another option. So now minimize this and just remove all this, I mean this function remove. And now come to below here, and in the if condition we are checking the phone controller and the location controller, which is not required here. So here let's remove this from here to this end, and this is also removed from. So yeah, I mean related to the location, to fetch the location we are deleting the things. Now come below and let's remove the custom, sorry, let's remove the input field from the form. So come below and here, where is it, this is the for email, this is for name, this is for email, this is for phone, this one. So let's text form field, this is minimize this and just remove this till here, this text box, size box also. We don't require this field, text field for the phone. So now come below and you will see here location also, we don't require this, so minimize this and including this size box, remove this and remove this function from here, or just remove this all size box from here which is having this button, which is containing this button. We don't require this kind of my current location button, so minimize it and remove this. So now we have directly registered button. Now come above and where we are saving the profile image of the user, so come above and where we are getting the image, profile image, and saving this one, profile image, and the validate information. So inside this we have here this restaurant info. So here we will say customers info. We will save this inside this customer info node in the Firebase. So yeah, we have completed our this registration setup successfully. As you can see, all error has gone. Now come to the splash screen here. and we have to uncomment these things here now, as you can see. So let's uncomment all from the here to here. So, sorry, it's double comment. Uncomment this and uncomment this like this, and we have to import this login screen. Now this timer function will work with authentication. If the user is registered with the application, we will send user registered with the application and already logged in, so we are sending user to the home screen. Else, if the user not registered or log out from the application, we will send to the login screen. And inside this login screen we are providing registration option also. You know guys, we did all these things in our previous videos. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video we will test this. We will register the user in the customer app and we will see all these things, it's working or not. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.